Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the most anticipated smartphone of the year, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. We've gathered the latest leaks and insider information to give you an exclusive sneak peek into what could be a game changer in the smartphone industry. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all things tech. Now, let's get started. First up, the design. Leaked images suggest that the S24 Ultra might not undergo a radical redesign, but subtle changes are in the works. The phone is rumored to feature a titanium build, giving it a sleek matte finish. The edges are less curved, contributing to a more refined look. Plus, there are whispers of a flatter display and slimmer bezels, enhancing the overall screen-to-body ratio. Colors are getting an upgrade too, with 4 new options: onyx black, marble gray, cobalt violet, and amber yellow. And for the gaming enthusiasts, there's talk of a boosted refresh rate, potentially reaching 144 Hz, offering a smoother and more immersive gaming experience. Now, let's talk cameras. The S24 Ultra is expected to maintain its impressive camera setup, but with a twist. While the layout may seem familiar, a closer look reveals bulkier and more prominent lenses. The beloved 10x telephoto zoom from the S23 Ultra might be replaced with a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto zoom and a 50-megapixel 5x telephoto zoom. And brace yourselves, Samsung is rumored to introduce a mind-blowing 200-megapixel sensor, accelerated by their cutting-edge AI engine. Under the hood, the S24 Ultra is set to be a powerhouse. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip takes center stage, bringing with it a 30% boost in CPU performance and a 25% bump in GPU performance. Gamers, get ready for a 40% increase in ray tracing performance, promising more realistic lighting in your favorite games. With claims of up to 16 GB of RAM, this device is poised to handle anything you throw at it. Speaking of AI, Samsung has labeled the S24 as an AI phone. The Qualcomm AI engine promises special features like automatic tracking for smoother videos and improved battery performance. Samsung is pushing the boundaries by introducing AI-driven image capture, changing the data output process to parallel, reducing processing time, and enhancing image quality. Battery life is getting a boost with a rumored 65W charging capacity. Imagine going from 0 to 100% in just 45 minutes, pure speed. The S24 Ultra is expected to launch in mid-January, with availability starting from the end of the month. As for pricing, we anticipate it will be in line with the S23 series, with potential variations based on economic factors in different regions. Are you excited about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra? What features are you looking forward to the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to stay tuned for our hands-on review once the S24 Ultra hits the market. That's it for now. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe. The Daily Technologies. Until next time, take care.